If your video export in Canva is stuck on processing, like it never finishes or just freezes, yeah, that can be super frustrating. Let's fix it step by step. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Canva processes videos online, so unstable connections can stall exports. Large videos can cause processing issues. Try shortening the video or removing heavy elements before exporting. Cached data can interfere with processing. Clear cache and reload Canva, then try exporting again. Switch to an updated browser. Older browsers can cause export to get stuck. Free up system resources. Too many apps can slow down export processing. Some extensions block Canva processes. Try exporting with extensions turned off. Quick fix, log out and log back in, or just refresh the page to restart the export process. If it still doesn't work, export in parts. Then combine the clips afterward. If nothing else works, reach out to Canva support. They can check your account and fix stuck exports. So check your internet, reduce video size, clear cache, and split videos if needed. That's how you fix Canva video exports stuck at processing.